Mike with Super B. We can't always work on a carbon super bike. A lot of times at a shop we have to work on a child's bike or an inexpensive bike. And a lot of times they come in and the rear triangle just isn't right. So to help us cold set these rear triangles, we have the TB-1944. All right, the first thing you want to do is take out your handy ruler and measure the inside to inside surface of the rear triangle. And you need to decide, do I need to tighten it up or do I need to spread it out? The TB-1944 can do both. In this case, I want to expand it. So I will take the tool, like so. Then using my hand, I will tighten it into place. Okay, now that it's in there nice and tight, I'll use an 8mm Allen key and I will slowly spread it, slowly and carefully. You really only want to do this with steel. If you do it with a different material, there's a great chance it'll destroy, crack the frame. Okay, now that I've spread it, I'm going to loosen it back up, get it out of place, and I'll use my ruler one more time to measure to see if I've gotten it right. All right, 135, looks perfect. All right, ready to go. So if you need to adjust the rear triangle of a bicycle, the TB-1944 is what you want to use.